G'day, here's a little parcel of pea knobbies from Lightning Ridge, Australia, Nobby Opal, rules in millimetres. Some of these are honey potch, and you might find that you might be able to facet a few of them, but there's no guarantees, it's just as a job lot. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in there. Rules in millimetres, as I think I said. It's been wetted. The white that you can see there is the reflection of the lights. Some of these may facet, I'm not saying that they will. Picking these up as we go. Haven't looked at them before. These quite often have sun flash in them. Looks like it might have a bit of red in it there. Few little specimen pieces, little mini knobbies. This material's so hard, the clay, to keep tumbling it, all we do is just wear the opal away, so some of the pieces end up encased, covered in clay, like this. It's not got much of anything in it perhaps. Anyway, it is what it is. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.